COVID-19 response to Assistive Technology project.
TAP Training in Assistive Technology Products.
Mobility India is the country coordinator partner for the TAP project. Implementing partners for this project are Rural Development Trust in Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh, and Chamarajanagar Rural Project in Karnataka. Currently, till now, here we have completed 3 training programs. One of them about the mobility module, the next one was about the vision module, and finally the third one was about the self-care module. The first TAP training is about the mobility module. It happened at the location of RDT in Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh, from the date 28 January to 30th January. The number of learners who participated in this module were 23, who came from various backgrounds of manager, teacher, CBR worker, or group organizer. In this training program, we cover 2 subdivisions of the mobility module, that is, foot screening and walking aid screening. This training program is conducted in 4 different stages. The first stage is an online e-learning program. The learner is able to access interactive modules that covers key information in plain English text and illustrations, character examples, questions with answers, activities, videos, and discussion forums. Next is the second stage or the demonstration stage. Here, a mentor from Mobility India demonstrates to the learner from RDT how to select, fit, use, and follow up the following walking aids: canes, elbow crutches, axillary crutches, and walkers. Mentors also demonstrates the foot screening for therapeutic footwear. Next was the third stage or the role-playing stage. In this stage, some learners play the service user while some of the learners play the service provider. Before implementing the services to the real service user, they practice all the learning in the guidance of mentors from Mobility India. Then we had the practical stage of the fourth stage. Now in this final stage, the learners start to implement all their learning when they deal with the service user. At last, we had the closing ceremony done by Dr. Praveen, an orthopedic surgeon and who is the director of RDT Hospital, Batalapalli, Anantapur. The second TAP training, which was about the vision module, happened at the location of RDT in Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. It was from the dates of 10th February to 12th February. 23 learners had participated in this program who came from various backgrounds of manager, teacher, CBR worker, and group organizers. Similar to the first training program by TAP, it also included 4 stages, which are the online training, the demonstration, the role play, and finally the practical stage. During this training program, they learned about the simple versions of screening like eye health, vision screening, screening for magnifier and telescopes. At the end, the closing ceremony was concluded by Mr. Dashrath, the Director of Disability Inclusive Development Sector in RDT Anantapur. The third TAP training was about the self-care module, which was organized at the location of RDT in Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh, from the dates 23rd March to 25th March. 23 learners participated in this module, who came from various backgrounds of manager, teacher, CBR worker, and group organizers. In this training program, we started with the review of walking aid service delivery, which was followed by online modules on self-care assistive products. This online module was used to familiarize the learners from products on self-care, introduce, identify, and discuss on features and indication of self-care products. During this training program, the learners learned about the screening of toilet and shower chairs. This encourages on analyzing the features, indications, and assembly of these assistive products. Similar to the previous training module, demonstrations were done by mentors from Mobility India, which was followed by practical sessions with the service user for the screening of toilet and shower chairs. At the end, the closing ceremony was done by the founder and senior manager from RDT Anantapur. Through the training with these TAP modules, 23 community workers from Disability Inclusive Department of Rural Development Trust in Andhra Pradesh were able to identify people who may benefit from mobility, vision, and self-care assistive products, and provide a selected range of simple devices themselves and know who to refer to. Thank you.